I'm just cooking a recipe that my husband taught me. It's basically a spicy pancake, flour, onion, 2 eggs, a bit of coriander, and chili to taste, up to you as much as you like, and salt and pepper. So this is something so easy to make. It's really tasty and it's really quick to make. So if you like pancakes but you don't really like sweet pancakes, you can choose a spicy pancake, which is tasty. It's easy to make, and I'm sure you're gonna love it. It can be a breakfast. You can have this for breakfast. You can have this for a snack. It's really, really delicious. Coriander, yeah, coriander about this much. Again, you can add as much as you want of everything. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a bit of salt to this mix here, to these 3 ingredients. Now I like to mix these all together. So I take all the spices and all the juice out of all the ingredients. The flavor of the chili and the onion and the coriander, it comes out basically. And it incorporates really, really well with the flour. Now I have here 3 to 4 spoons of flour. And I'm going to add these to the flour. I'm going to add the eggs now. I like 2 or 3 eggs, I think is fine. I'm going to add 2 eggs today. And now I'm going to add water. And then we're going to add some water here. And it looks like that. Okay, let's cook it now. We have to add just a tiny bit of oil. I'm just going to brush some oil all around the pan. Now I think it's hot enough. I'm just going to add the first. Okay. And that's it, that's fine. There you go. So that's what it looks like. Put the cooker a little bit lower. And I can usually tell when it's done by the surface of the top. I'm going to flip it now. That's about it now. I'm just going to make a couple of more, and then I'm going to serve it. Put it here. All done. I finished this. It looks like that. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making these. I'm going to dig in. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.